Welcome to another episode of Sandy Killer Projects. Today we're going to show you how to change out the air filter and cabin filter in the 2023 Honda Civic Sport. So let's get started. What we're going to do is go inside the driver's compartment, pull the lever for the hood latch mechanism. It is on the left side up against the door. Pop the hood and locate the air cleaner box, which is this guy right here. Next thing we're going to do is pop down the two latches that hold the air cleaner box lid in place, and we're going to lift up the air cleaner. Now there are two hold downs in the back that keep this in place, so I'm going to have to use my other hand to open it. Cleaner box lid open, you can access the air filter, which comes out by lifting and pulling the air cleaner out of its home location. We're going to be replacing the air cleaner with a K&N number 335045. K&N air filters are a oil-coated air filter, so we're going to take it out of the bag that it came in, and then we're going to install it with the deep side down into the air cleaner box. Put the lid back down and push the latches back in place. You're going to be replacing your air filter with a stock Honda air filter. I will tag this and some other options in the description. The cabin filter, go to the passenger side of the vehicle, open the glove box, and push the two tabs that look like this on either side of this air box to allow it to release down. On the driver's side of the box, there is a bar right here that you push down to release the box door from the mechanism that allows it to easily close and open. The thing you're going to do, I couldn't really show on camera, you're going to lift the door back up so that the hinge can slide back out on a horizontal plane. It takes a little adjusting and wiggling to get the door to come off, but you want the door completely off and out of the way. The opening behind the glove box door, there's a box that looks like this. This is your cabin filter. The door off, there are two tabs, one on this side and one on this side. I've already pushed the other tabs so that I can get the door off quickly and easily. Grab the cabin filter by the side and pull it out. Note on the cabin filter the direction of the airflow as you take it out, because that's important when you put it back in. Cabin filter, slide it back into place and install the door back over the top of it. Hang the door back on the hinges and reinstall the tabs and the bar on the driver's side that holds the mechanism in place. Things reinstalled, close your glove box door, you're all done. That's going to be it for replacing your air filter and cabin filter. As always, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep making more videos.